one of the things that we're going to be doing this summer is river tubing. Everybody's so excited about it because nobody has tried it before. So we're going to be driving to the west side of the city to a town called Pembroke. There's a company there that's running the business. They are very popular about this activity every summer. So we'd better be going. Okay, we're gonna go to endpoint. It's going to be a convoy. Kabalo ka, kada ang biyahe man gud nato gabi was kanang nasa mga in between sa mga kakahuyan. So kaya aking kinitpak. Sigbaon man mi. Nangging lagi kadali kadali. Di mo ko siya kakwento ko din.
Like water bottle diri ti March? Oh, naa ka din.
As life jacket tara da skilled langging.
Ay, wala.
Yeah, really strong wind pushing it to the side. I think. Unsa man? Okay. We're heading to the top point, they said, and that's the starting point of the tubing. Pag summer tubing, pag winter tubagoning. There's like 84 registrants today. This isn't any competition, but there's a lot of people who are, just having the fun going down the river on a tube. Kani giload lang ni namo, like anybody can take the red ones. That's what I heard. Healthier ones can get into the purple.
So you guys each have took a load down and back?
Yeah.
So you're just the drivers? Sure. I'll make sure they can pay. Okay. Back.
Okay, giants go in the back like me.
You smaller guys.
Yeah, it's purposely made for us, our sizes. Yeah.
We're all good.
We're all good.
Daddy,
Hi.
where was your car?
No.
No, we just left it there. We have to park it there. There's not enough space to park here. The other side, the other side.
And you guys did look under these ones, right? Okay. What for?
Yeah, there's no paddles under there.
Langging, just in case you need this. Huh? Yeah, we'll get. That's why
Okay,
we
so
brought.
the paddles, so everybody rented paddles in? Yeah. Because we bring enough paddles to everybody that rents. Take one and didn't rent one, someone might go without.
Langging on.
So the purples are
Ayaw,
good for
purples for
if you
bigger
are
rods,
super
yeah.
heavy, the purple
Like-
ones are great. Even myself, I don't need a purple one and I'm getting kind of big.
Yeah, that's too big. Langga, just use the pink. That's for the healthier ones. Madagko ba? Oh, pink lang ta. You want the purple? That's okay. There's more.
You think I brought enough paddles?
Langging. Usa pa, say. Who needs paddle? More paddles here. Oh, there. Dapa. Oh.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Let's go. Head down.
Dili to nindot na kuan.
Unsa? Kaneo. You want this? Kani. Oh. Okay ra langging.
Kay light kaayo.
Down to the river. Yeah, yes. Wow. Oh, Jax. Careful. Okay, that's yours, Langging, huh? Well, you have to start from here, Langga. You can't. Okay, careful, huh? Oh, dili na siya pwede, huh? Hold here. Okay. Wow. Wait. Sige lang. Mulakaw. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Look, I'm just gonna do this. Hawirin ni akong paddle. Okay. Just gotta do it. Ay! Okay. Oh, it's gonna go up again. That part lang, Ging. I'm gonna move like closer. Oh, there you go. All right. You guys are good? Yay. Laging. Namiya na ka na ako. Oh my God. I know. Ayaw lang. Just go like that. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Hey. Ooh.
My God. Gusto ko dito balik-balik to rin lang daw.
Yeah, we can. If you want every day. I'm drifting. Oh. Hi. Kisagigot.
Higot na.
Induta do eh.
Higot sa amahan. Ha? Pasakya unta ana.
Laging. I think this nice kay ni siya kung mag-fishing ka. What do you think, kuya? Go fishing like this. Huh? What stone? Yeah, that's why it's clear. When water has a like a sandy or rocky bottom, water is clear expectedly. Ah, kuyawa sa di mo oy.
Nice, no?
What tagal kabo para makakuan ta? Wow. Unsay una ni mo? Dili ta maglumba, dili kay ta mabot sa second bridge. Oh sige. Go, keep going. So grabe yun, reminds me of my childhood. In one of the cleanest and the clearest rivers in Hinapilan. Wow. Look at them.
Ilang ka kilometers ko na nila?
Yeah. That's really such a nice area there. Ah. Ganang ka river kaysa lake. Oh yeah, for sure because sa river kuan man good. Uy, babangga na ako. Ano ko sa kilid. There.
Picture pa diri oh.
That's okay. I have everything on video. Wow, lindo ta diri oy. Pero bayag. That's too high for you, Langging. Palangging. Palangging.
Dado na to snore diri. Dado sa to stay.
Sunod. Magkuan ta kana ang ato ipakuan nga. One sila ito og friends and families and
Yes.
friends.
My
Yeah.
sister.
Sister,
Younger sister.
younger sister. Kanais ninyo tanawon ay colorful kay mo.
Yes.
Pink, purple.
O ni match di ay ang
Wala,
imo.
nawala na to.
Ani mo?
O na naman sila pud padong.
Uwat magugko kay bugat sa
Yay! What took you so long? Uy hala, asa naman ko inan padong?
Na Raquel?
Hala, ako pod. Sangit po ko sagutan. Sangit ko sa katangkungan. Kanang puti. Kadali, kaya ako sa silang kailang gibasa si Jex.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ako na isa mo para
Paano na ka?
Ah.
Si Jet. Sheila? Can you give me a drink? It's too hot.
No?
sama na.
Kasi mga roots.
Dito.
Pagsunod na ko ba?
Yeah. Mas lagay ka mo langoy. Ako ka apson. Basig nanay diri lato. Kita kag lukot.
Pag-book mo sa gabi nila Raquel, nani option na 1 to 4. Limited na lang ang 1 PM.
Dapat kung ibawaan pa, iuna na lang ang para kanang 4 na lang to.
Or, oh, may nagawin sa 4. Trabaho mo na i-4.
Sakto naman nilang ging. Ano day?
Mas lang kakaapiti ang alauna ko paniid ko.
Ay mga unta daan alauna di naman na lunch gyud.
Bago pa masata na mga iskol.
Yeah. That side, no? To your left, Langging. That one to your left. Where the rain barrels are. Wow, look at this here. Langging, muna siya nga tree ang gamito nila maghimog tea. Yeah. Pantay.
Dako sa siguro ang water dili.
Hmm.
Mura mag-wrestling na ano kan basta.
Oh. Siguro sa dito din tuyok no.
Bounce naman.
Kinsay wala gibutan.
Kaluoy sa
Concept. Yeah, approaching the rapid in 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Woo! Wow. Hindi ko nag-injury ha. Oh lagi. Approaching first bridge. It's getting rougher here and really shallow. Oh, di na ko ka. Can't move forward. Trap, trap, trap. Naungot ko. I have to move to that side. Okay, there you go. Destination is second bridge. Oh my! Haha! 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 Oh! 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 Nice. Oh. Destination first bridge. Yes. River rafting. Down in the river. Rolling. Langging. Mas kuan pa man kanako Langging. Mas kursonada pa man kanako Langging. Pero ko ingon mahadlo ka nang mura lang ka nang dili ko ka-calculate.
Hadlo ka?
Ha? May kay ka jud. Mura kag fresh water tilapia. Why fresh water? Wala may salt water tilapia. I don't know.
Here I come.
Ano man kusog raman bisag walay kuan.
Wala ka gukuron kita.
Wow. Wow. Uy. Punta naman ko sa. Oh, paliko din ni. Amo na sa second bridge. May turtle dito.